Where is the other yoga teacher? No trouble. Okay, Jojo. Have fun. I'll see you later. What are you staring at?
Ow.